Hello sir, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use A2 hosting, and check this video for it. And if you check it, I am on cPanel. How can I enter cPanel? I have logged in with our access, and then I will just go for whenever I enter access, if you go home, and you will see there is a service option. This is service option. You will just click on it, and then you just go for it, manage, or just click manage. Then you will just get a cPanel for it. Here is the cPanel, site administration cPanel. You just click on it, and you just get a password. And here is your password, username, and here is your password. If you click on it, I just logged in. So after login, you give me 4 sites to move. Here is first sites, and here is its files, and under file manager, because this is primary domain, so its file will be under public_html. It's public underscore, and its files is here. And if you check this site, and it is running well. Yes, this site is working fine, nicely, and it is working from A2 hosting. So next, you just give me another 3 sites. So let's see where they are, and you will have to go domains and then add on domains. Here are all other 3 sites, Dr. Jane James, and here if you check this, it is under home directory, and here is Dr. Jane James. Here all files is there, Dr. James, and all files is there. And if you check this site, it is working fine too. Moving is done, and it is loading. It takes a few minutes, and it is working fine too. Every link is working, everything is working fine. So this is the site. Next site is kilopillow.com. If you check this site, here is kilopillow.com. Here all files is moved, and if you check this site is working fine too. And this is kilopillow.com. And if you check this, reviews, about us, contact us, everything is working fine. So the next one is Spanish charities, and this site has a problem, as you tell me that it may be hacked. But whenever I checked it with dashboard, I see that there is no files in dashboard. Here is only items name. But if you check this, edit anything, and you try to edit with Elementor, you will not get any contents for it. It may be because this DB is not moving correctly, so why it is not showing up with contents. If you send me its access, I can do it. As you tell me that you will reconstruct it, so I am not touching it anymore. So this is the 3rd domain. So here is all 4 domains you tell me to move, and have all of them are there. And so I called this, my task is done, and you just get it your 4th domain. I mean, this is Spanish. If you get it here, you can check it here, and you can get it here. And that's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.